Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries Thursday night, and we're starting off with a good one. $12.02 for 32 minutes. I know, 20 kilometers, and some of you are gonna say, that's way too long, why are you doing it? I turned Uber on right at 5 o'clock and I got this one right away. The last few times I've been able to turn it on right away, I haven't gotten anything. I've waited sometimes 10, 15, 20 minutes. So I'm taking this one. I think it's a good offer. I'm really happy to take it, so let's go grab it. Is that for Carrie? With a K? Perfect. Great timing. Thank you. So that was amazing. That order was ready, waiting for me as soon as I walked in. And now I'm driving to the drop-off, and I got this one, $11.09 for an additional 13 minutes. With that order being ready, that was going to be 25 minutes all in. This one, it says an additional 13 minutes, which might just be 5 or 6. This restaurant's always ready. So it could be between 30 and 40 minutes. So I'm going to be making over $20 in under 40 minutes. I'll take that any day. All day. Hi, Uber Eats for Christina. Perfect, thank you. You too. How you doing today? Doing well, thanks. I got your wings for you. There you go, thank you, enjoy. Appreciate it, you too. That last order I just did, both orders, all in 33 minutes. Love it. I'll take it. I'll also take this one. $10.47, 17 minutes. Yes, Thursday. Keep them coming. Picking up for little B.
You got it.
Thank you.
Just careful with the handle. They're not always great.
Yep,
okay?
no problem. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for calling Uber Support. This is Daniel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm currently on a live order right now, and the customer didn't put in the address. They just put a street, which put me into the middle of an intersection that has no housing or anything. I've called the customer 3 times. I've left messages in the app to the customer, so I don't know how to find the address.
How did the customer reply to your message?
No, the customer hasn't read it. I've left 2 messages in there asking for the address. I even did one before I left because it just gave a generic street but not an address. And it's kind of like a highway.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear about your experience right now, sir. Don't worry, since you got me on the line, I can definitely help you with this. And thank you for reporting this one, by the way. Can you give me the address that is prompted on your Uber app?
On the Uber app, it just says 9th line.
Well, is it okay if I put this call on hold 3 to 5 minutes? So I can reach out the customer to confirm this address.
Okay, yeah. If you can get in touch with them, they weren't picking up for me.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Well, unfortunately, the customer is unresponsive and we couldn't reach the customer. Well, the option here is we'll just cancel the order at this time since the customer is unresponsive.
Okay.
So you can now continue with the other deliveries. Feel free to dispose the order as you see it fit. Don't worry, you'll still be getting paid for this trip, sir.
Will I still be getting the full amount that was promised?
Well, you will not getting paid for the full amount, but you still get paid for this trip.
Yeah, so how much am I getting paid for this trip?
I cannot provide you that, sir, because it is not completed and it is not visible on my end right now.
Okay, so what do I do? Do I just end the trip here, or are you going to end it? I just don't want to get in any kind of trouble saying I've canceled in the middle of an order.
Yes, sir. I'll be the one who will cancel it. Here it here in my end, so that you will not be get in danger for this one.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Is there anything else I can help aside from this, sir?
No, I just want to make sure I can continue. So if you can cancel it and I can get paid for it, that would be wonderful.
Okay. If there's nothing else, I just want to thank you for reaching Uber Support. Again, my name is Daniel, and always drive safe.
Thank you, Daniel. So that absolutely sucked. The customer just put a street, just a very generic street. There's no houses, no nothing. And they wouldn't respond to my text. I sent them a text right away. I'll put that up on the screen. I also called them multiple times. I wasn't able to get in touch with anybody. It was really frustrating. I called Uber support, who couldn't get in touch with the customer as well. I got their dinner, which is great. It very rarely happens where I get a free dinner. I'll take the free dinner, but what I'm not happy about is the trip was guaranteed $10.47, and he could not tell me how much I was to get back. I should be getting $10.47. So let's shake that one off, because Uber gave me this one almost right away. $9.04 for only 11 minutes. That's gonna get us back on track. Hopefully it's ready. We can keep on going. Let's get it done in under 10. Hi, picking up for Dave.
Yeah.
Perfect. Put that there. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Let me just put that in. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Hi, delivery for Dave.
You got it.
Perfect.
How you doing today, man?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Hey, so far so good.
Perfect. Living the dream.
Exactly.
There's your food and your drink. Enjoy. You too. Take care. So the request has started to slow down, but I took this one. $7.09, 11 minutes. Should be easy, should be quick. It's only sushi. Hopefully I'm not waiting too long, but I want to update you on that food. It consists of 10 boneless wings, deep fried pickles, and large fries. All should be good. Dropped them off at my house already. Waiting for after work, and I'm gonna have a nice meal. Let's go get this meal. I got two of them. First one, 7FC8D.
7FC8D,
Yeah, and AB2C8.
AB2C8.
Yes. AB2C8.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it there. Thank you. Bye. Hi, Uber Eats delivery. Thank you. Enjoy. Hi, delivery for Dylan?
Yes.
Perfect. There you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Take care. Bye. This Thursday night is shaping up to be great. Other than that disastrous order I had earlier, take a look at this one. $11.26, 19 minutes. It's two orders from the same restaurant. Easy peasy. Let's go grab it. I'm making money, people. Cool. Hi, I'm picking up two orders for Uber Eats for Georgia and Vienna.
Yeah.
Both of these. Perfect. Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats delivery. Thank you. Enjoy. Hey, guess what? It's triple order time. First, I got this one, $15.53, 34 minutes. Couple minutes later, I got this one, $9.59 for 18 minutes. Absolutely, yes, 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 I'm gonna take it. This night's continuing to roll. Hi, I got two orders, I think, for the same person. Q and Q.
So there's these two soups.
Okay.
And then this bag. What's the number?
43B2A. Thank you.
We're just packing it up.
Perfect, thank you. Awesome, thank you. Appreciate it. You too. You must be Chris. How you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thanks. Here you go, sir.
Thank you very
Enjoy.
much. Have a good night.
You too. Take care. Yeah, no problem. You know what? I'll take it up because it's going to be awkward for you with the cane, to be honest with you. And I don't want you to drop it. It's a couple soups, right? So.
Well, that's smart. Is that a camera?
Yeah, just for my safety and.
That's smart. I've never seen it before.
Yeah, sometimes it throws people off.
Oh, that's okay. I like it.
So that should make it done. Yes. So, and I got you another soup here as well. I just don't want you to. And there's the third. Got it? Perfect. Have a good night. So I have some great news. That second sushi order, the one that was plus $10, that one had a hidden tip and they gave me an additional $5. So that brings my total right now to $90.58. But if you've made it this far, please like this video, and if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. My goal by the end of the year was to be at 500 subscribers. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But thank you so much once again, and we'll talk to you in the comments.